You know, nothing like a small illegal hike to begin day 2 with.
Oh, bro.
Oh, be careful, it's really wet in the first.
The door looks like the Lord of the Ring door, you know, and this is the Hobbit door to get in the cave. Alright, let's see. Hopefully there's no dragon at the end. We made it! We did it!
Again, except when we gotta go back.
Mikey right there. Do it for the vlog! Do it! Do it for the vlog! Do it for the vlog! Hey!
Do it for the vine.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the vine.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine.
Fred made it, Mikey made it, the girls made it. Enjoy the waterfall. Here's some time lapse.
I want to do stuff I've never done. I want to come back. Me personally, I want to show my kids. Bimal, show his family. This is this beautiful fucking thing. Bimal!
Jump on this again.
I love a good cliff. Let's go, Bimal! Indy, Bimal! We love you, Bimal.
Majestic. I did 2 dives from there. The group survived. And we're gonna head back now. Alright, let's see you out there.
Next morning.
Alright, this is our second Airbnb. This looks beautiful. Check this out though. Oh fam, infinity pool though. Infinity pool life. Don't push me in there.
No, I'm gonna push you.
Let's check out their kitchen.
I'm not pushing you.
Whoa. Great kitchen. It's really good. Oh, shit.
Gang gang, it's very good.
Quick history, that's Mount Pele. It erupted in 1902, killed everybody in this little town except for one little guy who got drunk. They kept him in the cellar, and they named this after him, this little town.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm serious.
One person made it?
Just one person made it. Beds, beds, beds. Pretty nice.
Fred.
Alright.
Fred.
Alright. Oh, let's check out this view really nice from the outside. We have the church down there. This is what is this town called? Rouge something? Moulin Rouge?
Yeah, something like that. It's Monroe Rouge.
Monroe Rouge or something. It's beautiful. Mount Pele out there. Alright, cut. We got some bayonets. Look at the size of this. This is like a meal. Mikey out here.
Mm-hmm.
Freddie.
He snores and he snores. And what I get left with? 5 hours of sleep.
He loves us, don't worry. Why we stop? Oh. Fred's having one of these moments again. The second waterfall. I'm not even gonna pronounce this. Wait, how do you say this in French? Saut Jodemont. Jodemont. The twins, I don't think they're coming. Mike's hungry.
He's not hungry, he's hangry.
He's hangry. So like, we didn't tell him we were gonna go waterfall. He thought we were going to a restaurant.
No, we tried to go to the restaurant. But
we did.
Full.
They're like, you guys are too many minorities here. You can't.
Too many.
Too many.
One too many minorities.
Look at this view. So the waterfall is down there. Number 2. I know, right? This is nice. This is beautiful. Alright guys. Second waterfall for the day in Martinique. Look how pretty this is. Andy. In Andy in America.
Andy.
Kind enough to give us some rum. You know? We're celebrating Fred's adventure up there. We'll see what happens.
Take it to the head. Oh. There he is.
You want one of us?
Yeah.
Least he could do is dive in after the incident. Rest in peace, drone.
The next morning.
Downtown Port-au-France. We out here. We're waiting for our excursion boat. The whole crew's with us. Fred might not come. He's like, I'm tired of you guys. He's gonna go hike by himself. Guys, our boat's here. I got it. I'll put it in the front. How you doing?
Oh, you got the...
Yeah, what's in there? What are you finding?
I just
Whoa! Hey, cheers, guys. Driver, we got Greg out here. They're here though.
Blow dryer.
Blow dryer.
Blow dryer.
He's trying to record a music video. He's being the photographer. We got B-Ball driving the boat. Shares on Instagram, being a little scotty. And we just out here, bro.
So Fred, what do you think about the boat trip so far? Galileo, we got Pamela over there, we got Roca over there, we got... What the?
Shut him down, open up shop. Hey! Oh! Oh! Yes, I will ride it through. Hey! Stop! Hey! Hey! B! B!
Lean with it. Lean with it. Lean with it. Lean with it. Viva Martinique!
This is amazing.
I know. Okay, so we just got to Diamond Rock. This water is so blue. Like no color edit right there. This is my color. That's the water color. That's a really bad contrast though. But Diamond Rock, it is majestic.
Hashtag more life. Hashtag the twins are here. Hashtag pretty boy Mike.